Hello friends, join me for making a super cute little ornament. This is a Dollar Tree ornament. We are going to paint every other one black. You guys, I truly enjoy doing these little videos for you guys. I haven't done one for a while because I wasn't getting very good results. I'm hoping that this, with me stopping, I will have maybe a little bit better results than I had last time. But anyway, this is just ink chalk paint. The black is the ink, and the white is just a regular white chalk paint from Waverly. I get my chalk paints at Walmart, you guys. I just love the classic black and white look. So pretty. These ornaments, they have them at the Dollar Tree, y'all. They are $1.25 each. And you can create your own ornament that is to your own liking. You can paint it pink and black, black and white, black and blue, white and blue, whatever you want to paint it. I think that it makes for a very beautiful ornament. And I love the way it's shaped. This is the liquid leaf that I am putting on here, you guys. This is my very favorite gold. It is liquid leaf. It is a, I believe it's an antique gold color. Or no, it's classic. The color is classic gold. I'm loving the way this is looking in between the black and the white. You guys know what this reminds me of. I have not done any of the black and white with the gold for quite some time. I do love this look. It is just, I think it's just really classy looking. It kind of matches my little turntable there. It's putting me in the mood for doing some checks or doing something in the black and white. I just absolutely love, love, love this. And I know several of you like this look also. So beautiful. I'm just going to add a little bit of white here just to make it, just for some highlights. Look how pretty. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And I'm going to add some stain to the, or not stain, some wax to the white to just give it that parchment look. And then we're going to add some Duraclear and Triple Thick. A good combination of both. This is just going to really shine this up and make it have that luxurious look. So pretty. Then I'm going to take one of my Totally Dazzled crowns, if I can get it on here. I had to put the glue on there once again, but look how sweet that is, you guys. There's the end results. I hope you guys enjoy this. Have a great day.